where the old closet was, and we had issues with this drop ceiling. Not being able to find the exact same stuff to fix it with, nor did I want to tear down the whole thing. So I built the light box for it, and I'm going to start by just painting the ceiling here. All right, so I made the light box. I didn't show you how I made it or anything, but I'll show it to you now. It's just a homemade light box. I'm going to use my HUE light strips, and I'm going to hot glue the light strips to the ceiling. First, I'll start with the controller box here. Put some glue there, and I'm hoping this works. Let's try this again here. I guess the hot glue idea is not going to work. The glue sticks just fine to the drywall ceiling, but it just keeps peeling off the back of the light strip. So I'm going to try something else that I have here is some wire clips for doing electrical wire. So I'm going to see how this is going to, hold into the drywall here, and see if it's even wide enough. Doesn't have to look that pretty. You're not going to see it after. I know it fits, because we already tried it. Just a matter of getting her back in. Well, she was definitely made to be a tight fit. There we go. The box is up. Now it's put a couple screws in there to hold it up so she doesn't fall down. And also, perfect. Now, as long as the cord fits up there. Bunch all this up and leave it up in the ceiling. Or up in the light box so you won't see it. Alright, now for the diffuser panels. So now this is going to be the tricky part here, getting these diffuser panels up. Well, there we go. It was a little tricky getting the diffuser panels in. One of them I messed up on. I got it in there, and I had to cut down one edge a little for it to fit. What I realized was when I cut the panels, this thing was completely square. I put them in, they were fine. I put it up, and it got twisted a little bit, not quite square, but just enough to make it very difficult to get the panels in. So I had to sand it down or cut down one edge, and well, it doesn't quite fit in there just perfectly. But for now, it's working and it looks good. What do you think? I'll show you a bit of before and after what this place looked like. Well, there you go. Another job done in the laundry room. This light box that I built and installed, I'm very pleased on how it came out. The wife is as well. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give me a like if you liked the video. Consider subscribing if you're not already. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.